Please verify the admin. Please register an admin. 1. Admin setting. 2. User setting. 3. Systems key. Add 1. Add admin. 2. Delete admin. 3. Return to please enter number. Press pound key to confirm. Please verify your fingerprint, card, or password. Enter again. Enter again. Enter again. Enter again. Enter again. Registration successfully. Please verify your fingerprint, card, or password. Please enter the password again. Press pound key to confirm. Password. Registration successfully. Please verify your fingerprint, card, or password. Card. Registration successfully. Please verify the admin. Verify successfully. 1. Admin setting. 2. User setting. 3. System setting. 1. Add admin. 2. Delete admin. 3. Add face. Start key. Return to Please face up to the camera. Look slightly to the right. Look slightly to the left. Look down slightly. Look up slightly. Registration successfully. Please verify. Please verify. Verify successfully. 1. Admin setting. 2. User setting. 3. Systems. 1. Add user. 2. Delete user. 3. Add to preview. Please enter number. Press pound key to confirm. Please verify your fingerprint, card, or password. User 2. Delete user. 3. Add face. Start key. Setting 2. User setting. 3. System setting. 4. Other 1. Time setting. 2. Function setting. 3. Wi-Fi setting. 2. 0. 2. 4. Year. 1. Month. 3. Day. 8. Dot. 3. 10. 9. 1. Time setting. 2. Function setting. 3. Wi-Fi setting. 4. 1. Language setting. 2. Lock function setting. 3. Verify mode. 4. Volume adjust. 1. Control Alt 2. English. Start key. Return to previous menu. 1. Language. 1. Language setting. 2. Lock function setting. 3. Verify mode. 4. 1. Door handing. Door handing. 2. Automatic lock. 3. Latch bolt delay setting. Door handing. Left. Door handing. Right. Door handing. Left. Left. Automatic lock. 1 second. Automatic lock. 2 second. Lock. 2 second. Latch bolt delay setting. 4 second. Latch bolt delay setting. 7 second. Delay setting. 7 second. 1. Torque adjustment. 2. Unlock reversal. 3. Lock reversal. 4. Next menu. Start key. Return to preview. Torque adjustment. Low. Torque adjustment. Middle. Torque adjustment. High. 4. Unlock reversal. 5. Unlock reversal. 6. Lock reversal. 4. Lock reversal. 5. 1. Rotation time. 2. Self-latching lock. Start key. Return to rotation time. 6 second. Rotation time. 7 second. Self-latching lock. Open. Self-latching lock. Close. 2. Lock function setting. 3. Verify mode. 4. Volume adjust. Start key. Return to 1. Enable single mode. 2. Enable combined mode. Start key. Return to operation success. 1. Function setting. 3. Verify mode. 4. Volume adjust. Start key. Return to 1. Increase volume. 2. Decrease volume. 3. Silent mode. Start key. Return to previous menu. Operation success. 3. Verify mode. 4. Volume adjust. Start key. Return to previous menu. Pound key. Next menu. 1. Sensing distance. 2. Anti-pick setting. 3. Face mute. Start key. Return to previous menu. Sensing distance. Bar. Sensing distance. Close. Anti-pick. Close. Face mute. Open. Face mute. Close. Please verify the admin. Verify successfully. 1. Admin setting. 1. Time setting. 2. Function setting. 3. Wi-Fi setting. 4. Restore factory setting. Start key. Return to previous menu. 1. Wi-Fi configuration. 2. Wi-Fi reset. Start key. Return to previous menu. Connecting. Operation success. Operation 2. Wi-Fi reset. Start key. Return to previous menu. User setting. 3. 1. Add admin. 2. Delete admin. 3. Add face. Please enter number. setting 3, 1, add user 2, delete user 3, add face. Please enter number, press pound key to confirm. Delete successfully. Please enter number, press pound key to confirm. 1, time setting 2, function setting 3, Wi-Fi setting 4, restore factory setting, start key, return to previous menu. Press pound key to confirm and start key to return. Restore factory successfully.